Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Inner Rail UPR Rack ASM part #WD30X20110. GE Inner Rail UPR Rack ASM part #WD30X20110 is a replacement part for a dishwasher. It is the upper rack assembly for the inner rail of the dishwasher. This part includes the inner rail, 2 support brackets, and 4 screws. The inner rail helps to hold dishes in place during washing and drying cycles. The support brackets help to keep the inner rail in place and provide additional stability. The screws are used to secure the parts together. This part is compatible with many GE dishwashers and can be used to replace a damaged or missing part. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to repair a dishwasher rack that is not sliding properly. It can fix symptoms such as the dishwasher rack not sliding smoothly or the rack being stuck in one position. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the GE Inner Rail UPR rack assembly and check for any missing parts or damage. 2. Place the rack assembly on a flat surface and align the mounting holes with the holes in the wall. 3. Secure the rack assembly to the wall using appropriate screws and anchors, not included. 4. Insert the inner rail into the slots on either side of the rack assembly, making sure that it is securely in place. 5. Securely tighten all screws and bolts to ensure that everything is secure and properly installed. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.